Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at a crucial component for anyone who owns a DJI Mavic 3 drone and has unfortunately experienced some damage. We're talking about the genuine replacement arm with motor, available for the front, rear, left, or right side, offered as a complete set. When a drone takes a tumble or has an unfortunate collision, often one of the first things to be affected is an arm, which houses the motor essential for flight. Having a reliable replacement part is absolutely vital to getting your valuable drone back in the air quickly and safely. This particular product is highlighted as a genuine DJI part, which is a significant factor for many drone owners. Using genuine parts often ensures compatibility, reliability, and performance that matches the original specifications of the drone. It's designed specifically for the Mavic 3, meaning it should fit perfectly and function seamlessly with the drone's complex systems. The description emphasizes that these are replacement drone repair spare parts, intended to directly replace an original damaged or old arm. This suggests it's aimed at users who are comfortable with or willing to undertake drone repair, or perhaps have access to a repair service that uses these parts. One of the key benefits mentioned is the use of high-quality materials. This is paramount for drone components, especially structural ones like the arms and critical functional parts like the motors. High-quality materials contribute to the durability and longevity of the part, ensuring it can withstand the stresses of flight and potential minor impacts. The description also notes that the part is small and light. For a drone, weight is everything. Keeping components lightweight is essential for maintaining flight performance, battery efficiency, and maneuverability. A heavy replacement part could negatively impact how the drone flies, so the emphasis on it being small and light is a definite plus. Being small and light also makes it easy to carry, which is convenient if you're taking your drone out and about and want to have a spare part on hand just in case, although replacing an arm in the field might be challenging for most. Ease of installation and assembly is another major selling point. The description states it's easy to install, easy to assemble and use, and replaces the original damaged one directly. This suggests that the design is user-friendly for repair purposes. While drone repair requires some technical skill and care, a part that is designed for straightforward replacement makes the process much less daunting. The professional manufacturing mentioned implies that the part is made to precise standards, which is crucial for proper fit and function on a sophisticated piece of equipment like the Mavic 3. A poorly manufactured part could lead to alignment issues, vibration, or even failure. The guaranteed quality and long-lasting use are strong assurances provided with this product. For anyone investing in a replacement part for an expensive drone, knowing that the quality is guaranteed provides peace of mind. It suggests that the manufacturer stands behind the product and expects it to perform reliably over time. The long service life means that once installed, the user shouldn't have to worry about this particular component failing prematurely. This is vital for maintaining the operational readiness of the drone. In summary, for a DJI Mavic 3 owner facing the need to replace a damaged arm and motor, this genuine replacement part appears to offer a compelling solution. It leverages high-quality, lightweight materials, is designed for easy installation and direct replacement, and comes with assurances of professional manufacturing, guaranteed quality, and a long service life. It provides the necessary component to restore the drone's flight capability, allowing the user to get back to capturing aerial footage or enjoying their flying experience without the limitations of a damaged arm. It represents a practical and reliable option for drone repair, focusing on getting the user's valuable equipment back into optimal condition.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.